This is a diagram of how students qualify for reading intervention here at Loveland Primary School. Our first thing that we do is each student in first and second grade is given our Ames-Webb either oral reading fluency or early literacy skills assessments. Based on these assessments, students qualify either meeting the benchmark, intensive, or strategic. Then from there, we look at their results or performance on our developmental reading assessment. This is our assessment given to determine reading level. Each grade level has their own benchmark for this, first grade being a 4 and second grade being an 18 at the beginning of the school year. Students that are hitting both the Ames-Webb and DRA benchmark are considered our Tier 1 students. Those students are in the classroom full-time, and they are getting instruction from their classroom teacher on our standards with our classroom-based programs. The other students who are either in our strategic or intensive range are those qualifying for reading intervention. So if your student didn't benchmark either one or one or the other of those assessments, then they would fall into this reading intervention category. Within students who qualify for reading intervention, there are two different tiers. Our Tier 2 students are those students who are just slightly below grade level and require a little bit of extra reading support, maybe some extra practice throughout the day. These students are considered our Tier 2 group, and you get a guided reading group either in the classroom or pulled out to the reading room for about 20 to 30 minutes a day. Students who are more significantly below grade level are considered our Tier 3 reading group, and they get a more intensive reading program that ends up being about 40 to 45 minutes. Definitely pull out in the reading room to limit the distractions that would be during the reading instruction. This is how your child ended up in our reading program.